Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna change the crankshaft position sensor for 2004 Infiniti G35 sedan. Doesn't matter, sedan or coupe is the same thing, from 2003 until 2007. So the crankshaft position sensor part number is this one here. So the experience that you're receiving for this power problem, the car sometimes doesn't want to start, or you're driving, the car turn off on you. And so this is what the experience you're receiving. So stay with me on the video. I'm gonna show you everything how to do it. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget like, share, subscribe to the channel. Like that, we show more tricks. Stay with me, guys.
First thing we do, we disconnect the negative sides of the battery before we work anything electronic. Now we gotta go underneath of the car and we're gonna change the parts. So the parts is gonna be located on the driver's side of the transmission sides. So use 10mm sockets to remove the plug from there. So we gotta loosen it just a little bit. Gotta loosen it like that. Easy, guys. After that, we're gonna try to disconnect the wire from the sensor. Just unplug it, loose it like that, and disconnect the sensor gently, guys. Don't force it. And like that, we disconnect it. Now we gotta remove the bulb from the sensor. This is the crankshaft position sensor. Most time, the experience will be receiving the car sometimes shut off on you when you're driving, or the car crank but doesn't start. Take a while till the car gets starts. And even for horsepower, the car affects your horsepower. The car eats gas a lot. So we get a part from Advanced Auto Parts. So because Advanced using the factory manufacturer. So what we do now, we get a towel, we clean the surface, we make sure the area is clean, doesn't have any dust or anything. And we get the parts, we're gonna put it back to its place. Easy guy's job. So this is the parts I got it from Advanced Auto Parts. Cost me like almost $50. It's not that expensive. So now I put it back in its place and I plug the sensor to its place. So we're done over here. So after that we go on the top. So yeah, everything is clean into its place. Now we go on the top of the car. Yeah, this is the bed sensor. Never been changed before. Now we go put the battery back to its place and we're done, guys. Thank you guys for watching.